Configuring Rocket Money bill negotiation is a straightforward process that can help you save money on your bills. To start, you need to link your accounts to the Rocket Money platform. This involves providing your login credentials for the accounts you want to negotiate, such as your cable or internet provider. Once your accounts are linked, Rocket Money will analyze your bills and identify areas where you can save money. The platform will then negotiate with your service providers to lower your rates. You can choose to have Rocket Money automatically negotiate your bills, or you can manually review and approve each negotiation. To configure the bill negotiation feature, log into your Rocket Money account and navigate to the Bills section. From there, you can select the accounts you want to negotiate and choose your negotiation preferences. You can also set a savings goal and track your progress over time. One key concept to understand is the negotiation process itself. Rocket Money uses a combination of automation and human negotiation to lower your rates. The platform will analyze your usage patterns and market rates to determine the best possible price for your services. If a better rate is available, Rocket Money will negotiate with your provider to secure the lower rate. A practical example of this is if you have a cable bill that is higher than the average rate in your area. Rocket Money will identify this discrepancy and negotiate with your cable provider to lower your rate. The platform will also monitor your bill over time to ensure that the lower rate is maintained. Best practices for configuring Rocket Money bill negotiation include regularly reviewing your accounts and negotiation preferences. This ensures that you are getting the best possible rates for your services and that your savings goals are being met. You should also take advantage of the platform's tracking features to monitor your progress and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively configure Rocket Money bill negotiation and start saving money on your bills. The platform is designed to be user-friendly and requires minimal effort to set up and maintain. With Rocket Money, you can take control of your bills and start saving money today.